This is my thermally broken, super insulated doghouse. It's passively heated and cooled from air inside the house. Blows through this PVC pipe and exhaust out the door. Doesn't add a whole lot seemingly to my bill. $53 on the inside. $21 on the outside on the tin. Frost this morning. It's made with plywood on the inside and a layer of foam and another layer of plywood with a little porch on the front, thermal window. There's a backflow preventer fitting, so when the fan's not running, wind won't blow into the house. Pests can't get inside. This is the fan. It's a Radon fan from Chernlin Products, model PVC4. Got it set on a timer to run intermittently. This is the Happy Homeowner Coda. Buddy. All right. This project started out as a wooden boat experiment that I decided to repurpose into a climate-controlled doghouse for our new puppy. I sandwiched 3 layers of foam board between the plywood walls and air sealed all the joints. This creates the thermal break to block heat transfer, and this is why it performs so well. It's basically a wooden ice cooler. I made an extra large doggy door using a PVC mud flap, stainless piano hinge, and an aluminum frame. I used 4x4s to frame up the floor and the roof, and I beefed up the roof insulation to 4 inches of foam and added a layer of full-face bubble wrap under the tin for a radiant barrier. I moved it onto site before it got too heavy. Then I added the 5/4 decking and cedar shakes to finish off the exterior. I estimate the total of materials to be around $600, including the fan, which is pretty pricey, but I'll never have to build another doghouse, and my dogs will be as comfortable as I am inside the house. So, good luck with your project, and thank you for watching.